The Move tool is the first tool you'll use in Affinity Studio, and honestly, it's the tool you'll come back to every single time. Before we use it, let's drop a few shapes onto the canvas. When you open the Shapes panel, you'll see a whole list of presets: rectangles, stars, cogs, arrows, hearts, and a lot more. I'll pick the Rectangle tool and drag out a basic shape. You can change its fill color from the Color panel, switch between swatches, gradients, or patterns, and even remove the stroke with one click. Now, when you switch back to the Move tool and click the rectangle, you'll see the transform handles appear. You can drag to scale, rotate from the corner, or hold Shift to resize it evenly. The Move tool works on everything: images, text, shapes, artboards, anything you need to move, rotate, or resize. Each shape also has its own unique properties. For example, rectangles let you control corner types and radius, either all at once or individually. If you enable absolute sizes, you can type exact units like 10 millimeters. Turn it off and it switches to percentages. When you hit Convert to Curves, the shape becomes a fully editable vector path, and the Node tool pops up automatically, letting you change every point and curve. Just remember, after converting, it's no longer an editable shape. Other objects like stars, cogs, and arrows have their own custom controls too, such as point count, radii, hole size, and more. Use the Move tool anytime you want to adjust, organize, or style these shapes. It's the backbone of your workflow in Affinity Studio. If this helped you out, smash that like button and hit subscribe so you never miss my Affinity tutorials.